you know that you have options when it comes to what happens after someone fills out your 17 Hats lead capture form? I'm Nicole from Let Nicole Help, and in this video, we're going to check those options out. So here I am in the settings of my lead capture forms. I'm in my test account of Nicole's Decor, so you can see the current selection I have on this form after it's submitted is to display a message. A lot of people are used to that. That message that just shows up on the screen. Thank you for contacting us, etc., etc. Check your email. So lots of people are used to that. However, if we click into edit, know that you also have an option to send them directly to a URL. I'm not sure if you would ever do nothing, so I'm not really going to talk much about that, but know that you can also send them directly to a URL. So I've used this for almost like a lead magnet type of situation where I send folks directly to the resource that I was offering. So that's possible. I mean, the possibilities are endless, right? So maybe you're sending them your pricing guide if you don't want it on your website directly. Maybe you're sending them to a page that has a video that explains your service. Whatever it may be that you want people to see next, pop that URL in here and they'll be taken directly to it after submitting your form. I would say a food for thought here is because so many people are used to seeing the message, perhaps like if you plan to use GoToURL somewhere somewhere towards the bottom of your form, you can add text and maybe consider saying after clicking submit, you're going to go here because people will be used to seeing the message. So they might want to know that that's what's expected if they all of a sudden go to some other URL. So just some food for thought there, but do know that this is an option for you that can kind of really create some cool opportunities for you to send them to a specific spot out there on the internet. So I hope this is helpful. I'd love to hear any of your ideas this may have sparked. Drop a comment below if you have one. Otherwise, stay tuned for more tips. Thank you.